Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually remove tracks from your SoundCloud playlist. Now it's a very easy process. The first step that you want to do is open up your browser and go down to SoundCloud. Open up the official website and sign into your existing SoundCloud account. Now from here what you will do is actually go to the top right and go to your account. From here open up the playlist tab, and from here select the playlist where you want to actually delete songs. Now make sure that the playlist is actually from yourself, so simply head down to the playlist that you want to delete a song from. Now as you can see right here, if I go to the three dots behind the song, I can't actually delete it. Now what I want to do is simply go down to the little edit button right here, and here go down to tracks, and inside tracks you can actually delete them by pressing the little X and remove the track from the playlist. Simply save the changes and that'll be it. Now if this tutorial has helped you, or if you still get any other questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.